In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on the YouTube TV app on a computer. If you're looking to stream games directly from your desktop or laptop, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To watch live football on the YouTube TV app on a computer, start by opening a web browser like Chrome or Edge and go to tv.youtube.com. Log in to your YouTube TV account, or sign up if you're new to the service. Once logged in, browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Click on the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can use the browser's full screen mode for a better viewing experience and adjust the video quality under the player settings. Additionally, you can set reminders or record games using the Cloud DVR feature directly from the website. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on the YouTube TV app on a computer, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.